Hello people, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to position for Debank Airdrop. Debank is a crypto portfolio tracker and also a social platform. So with your decentralized wallet connected to Debank, you can monitor your crypto holdings and also just the way other social platforms work. Where you can send DMs, you can post, you can repost, you can also do the same in Debank. In this video, I'm going to show you a couple of things you can do, a couple of engagements that will position you for Debank Airdrop. So for the purpose of this tutorial, we're going to be needing 3 apps, right, on our phones. We're going to be needing the bank app. We're going to be needing Rabby wallet. Rabby wallet is a Debank wallet, and then we are going to be needing Trust wallet. So if you do not have any of this application on your phone, you want to go over to Play Store, install them, and set them up. All right, so guys, let's go right in. So let's go over to Debank. All right, so over here in Debank, we want to get started. And then we want to connect our mobile wallet. So for this tutorial, we're going to be using Trust wallet. So let's choose Trust wallet. Let's connect wallet. Connect. Verify your address by signing a text. All right, so let's verify. All right, so let's sign this. Good. All right, guys, so we are connected to our wallet. So the first thing you see is like this. So this wallet I'm using is a new wallet, and the font in it is like very tiny, like very small, and it's USDC and it's on Solana network. So the reason why I do not have any asset visible could be because the fund I have is on Solana network, right? So if you have funds on Ethereum network, they should be visible on this page. Like you see all the assets that you have on Ethereum network, right? So this is like pretty much where you monitor your assets in your wallet. All right, guys, so as you can see, we have a couple of icons here, and we're just going to explore them, right? Let's come over here. So remember that I said that Debank is a social platform. So pretty much most of the things you're going to be doing, most of the engagements are like social, stuff. So here's where you chat, like where you send private messages to people. You cannot just send a direct message to a random person. Both of you have to be following each other. Like you can't just send message to anybody. If you want to send message to a complete stranger, you're going to be charged for it. This guy, we're not following each other, right? So if I want to send message to him, I have to pay $2. So if you want to send a private message to a person you're not following and they're not also following you, you will have to pay a fee, right? All right, so what you want to pretty much do on the bank is you just want to engage. You want to send people DMs. You want to like just use the platform, right? Engage, send DMs, receive DMs, and all that. There are also a couple of things you can do. You can over here you can engage with people's posts, and you can also post. So there are a couple of posts here. I can just engage with this post, right? I can repost, I can reply, right? If I am allowed to. You can also like post and have people interact. So let me drop a post. So yeah, I just posted, right? So you can post and then have people interact with your posts. So just get busy on the app, all right? And a very important thing is your followers, right? You want to build your follower base. You want to ensure that people are following you as much as you're following them. And not just anybody, but people with reasonable net worth. Like there's a sort of value system in Debank, right? So Debank value posts, like people's posts, the value every post that people make. And this valuing is based on a couple of things, which include the numbers of users that engage with that post, and then the net worth of the users. So you want to ensure that people that engage with your posts, people that follow you, are people with reasonable net worth. Looking at this guy's profile, you can see that this guy is worth more than $110,000, right? So you want to have people like this follow you on the platform, right? So that by the time you post, they get to interact with your post, and then you're given a reasonable value for your post. So these are like things you just want to keep doing. Firm followers with reasonable net worth, and all that on the app. So another thing you can also do to take a good position for any possible airdrop is, let's come over here, is badges. If you want to mint badges, right, if you're eligible, just keep minting as many badges as you can mint, right? So another way you can also be positioned is that you want to be registered on Debank layer 2, and then you just want to like deposit any amount of money, right? I mean any amount, guys, like $2, $3, right? So how you can register is by coming here and then go register and then continue. All right, so you select a chain, Ethereum. So at the moment I do not have any fund on Ethereum network in my wallet, so because I will need to pay a little amount of money for gas fee. So then you just connect your Trust wallet. All right, so for doing this, I would advise you use a MetaMask wallet, because I did try with Trust wallet, but I just kept getting errors. But let's try again. Connect wallet, Trust wallet. Your wallet chain does not match. Please switch chain to Ethereum, then reconnect. Hopefully, if you try with a MetaMask wallet, it would work. All right, so what you just do here is pretty straightforward. You just connect your wallet and you sign the text in your mobile wallet. So I think you have to pay a little amount of money for gas fee, right? Do not forget, you just want to deposit, a little amount of money and just let it be there, right? You can also buy with 3 ID on layer 2. I think it costs about $90 something, right? So these are pretty much some of the things that you can do on Debank to position yourself for possible airdrop. So if you do not have funds or capital, you can just stick to posting, engaging with people's posts, farming, followers with good net worth, and have them engage with your posts and all of that. All right, guys, so one more thing before we come to the end of the tutorial is Rabby wallet. The Rabby wallet is a Debank wallet, so performing transactions like swapping and all on Rabby wallets can possibly position you for airdrops. So let's just open Rabby wallet. So what you want to do is you want to import the same wallet that is connected to your Debank. You want to import it to Rabby wallet, and then you want to perform as many transactions, as many swaps as possible on Rabby wallet. All right, so let's import our Trust wallet. Connect. All right, done. All right, guys, so I just imported our Trust wallet, which is connected to our Debank, into Rabby wallet. Thing is, I have a little fund in my Trust wallet on Solana network, but it's not visible. This, I believe, is because Solana is not available on Rabby wallet. So as you can see, these are the available networks on Rabby wallet. If you want to perform a swap on Rabby wallet, be sure that your funds are on any of these available networks, right? Just choose the chain, right? And then choose the token you want to swap, right? And select the token you're swapping to. Just impute the amount you want to swap, and then just find your way from here. So you want to perform as many swaps as you can so as to create a reasonable swap volume on Rabby wallet. All right guys, we've come to the end of the tutorial. Please do drop your comments in the comment section, and of course do not forget to like, comment and subscribe to this YouTube channel. See you in the next tutorial video. Bye.